For those of you who may not know me, I'm Cheryle. I'm a past District Governor of Rotary District 1220 and also the Chair of Trustees of the Hearing Ambassadors charity. Sound Warriors is our latest initiative, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about why we started it and what we are doing. All my life I have worked with young people and their families in education and in health. I was a head teacher and a director of education, and in one of my schools I had young people with different degrees of hearing loss. Some of it was unavoidable, but some of it was avoidable. And I always thought if I ever had the opportunity, I would try and prevent hearing loss, particularly in young people. Our trustees had a discussion about it and decided that we could set up an initiative that would teach young people about the dangers of loud noise, of persistent noise, and how simply they could avoid hearing loss by moving away from the noise, by limiting the amount of time and understanding the different frequencies and the effect it has. We are so proud of the young people who are already our sound warriors. They are doing tremendous things, making videos, designing their logo, and by the things they are doing, they are influencing and teaching other young people. We are delighted, and we are sure that the things they are doing in later life will be very, very beneficial to them and their hearing. Because, as they say, you do not appreciate what you have until you lose it. Let's work together with all the young people and the groups that we have. St John Ambulance, of which I'm the chair of Derbyshire, I will encourage our cadets and our badgers to do preventative work for themselves and for others. If you have youth groups, get them involved. Let's look back and say, we did something positive to protect young people's hearing.